Well, as you guys know me by now, I got to get my train fix on. So I just come through this yard here. And the guy said, go right on through and take as many pictures as you want. Like the old green Burlington Northern. Might as well get some plane footage. Welcome to Iowa. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler. And we're ready to travel. The Sergeant Floyd was constructed in Indiana and was launched on May 31st, 1932. Just shows you how far Lewis and Clark traveled the country. When I was in West Virginia, Lewis left there to pick up Clark in Pittsburgh, and now up here in Sioux City, Iowa, on August 21st, Tuesday, 1804, Lewis and Clark wrote, "We set out very early this morning and proceeded under a gentle breeze from the southeast." And if you've never seen Meriwether Lewis and William Clark, there's what they look like. Great explorers. There's Lewis and Clark at the visitor center. I'm not sure what their dog's name is though. Well, I know that's a bull, but what is that? Is that like a praying mantis or a wasp or something like that? Now this is a cool bridge. Wow, that's really neat. Built in 1885, the historic Squirrel Cage Jail Museum. This is the free public library that has now been turned into the Union Pacific Museum. The only problem, it's open Tuesday through Saturday, and I won't be here on any of those days. The Squirrel Jail was built in 1885 and in continuous use as a jail until 1969, and named to the National Register of Historic Places in 1972 by the United States government. Horse of Honor, Deputy Mark Burbridge. I'm at Bayless Park in Council Bluff, Iowa. It's a beautiful park. And at night, all this lights up. And then there's these giant squirrels here. Well, too bad the Squirrel Cage Jail and the Union Pacific Museums were closed. Maybe we'll catch them another time. Bailey Park here with the fountains was really nice. Must look really pretty here at night with everything all lit up. And today I can cross off another state that I have biked in. And on that note, traveler out.